Okay, and the shoot positioning, of course, is the very important part where you're basically making your trellising work, right? The shoots that grow, you tuck them into the wire and position them in a way that is best for the grape ripening and photosynthesis for the leaves. And that's an interesting part of the grape management as well, that basically the basal leaves that are closest to the fruiting zone tends to be obviously were the ones that grew first. And then the older they get, the percentage of photosynthesis that happens, the efficiency of the photosynthesis that happens kind of drops down. So the younger leaves that are further up at that point provide more energy to the grape. And that's why leaf removal at the basal level is usually doesn't drop the photosynthesis, but it can allow more air circulation. They tend to be bigger as well. And then also more light on the grapes as well. So the leaf removal is usually focuses on the basal leaves right around the fruiting zone.